At LNER, we're revolutionising rail travel. From your departure to your destination, our Azuma trains are delivering faster, more comfortable journeys. Our brand new app makes booking simpler, provides real-time updates, and will reward your loyalty through our LNER Perks scheme. So you can enjoy a more comfortable journey. Most seats on our services require a reservation. We're the first to offer at-seat ordering, delivering the finest locally sourced food and drink directly to you. We've invested £14 million in our stations to improve our customer experience. And we're helping to bring to life the biggest upgrade to the East Coast route in a generation. Our world-class cleaning regime is industry-leading and keeping you safe. We're more committed than ever to helping to protect the environment with greener trains and stations. And we're continuing to push new boundaries in ticketing, fares and our onboard experience to make your journey with LNER the very best it can be.